This is so easy to make, and in no time you have a salad ready to go. Especially if visitors are surprising you or you have to go somewhere spontaneously and take a salad along. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. For this quick mushroom bean salad, we take some beans, mushrooms, herbs, and onion. Let's start. I cut off the ends of one onion and peel it. I use a yellow onion, but you can also use a red onion or other kinds of onion. I cut the onion in half and only use half of the onion for this recipe. If you want to make the double recipe, then you can use the whole onion. I dice my onion in little cubes. I like to make this recipe often in winter time because we don't have a garden in winter and you can have those things always handy in the pantry. And this is also one of my daughter's favorite salad. Once I diced my half onion, I transfer it over to my salad bowl. I put 1 can of red kidney beans on a sieve and let it drain nicely. You can use home-cooked kidney beans. It would be about 255 grams. Then I wash the beans thoroughly so they are clean and good for the salad. You could also use other beans. I have been using pinto beans before already, but I prefer the red kidney beans because of the color. It pops more in the salad and it just looks better. The kidney beans are washed and drained, so I put them in the salad to the onions. Now I put 2 cans of sliced mushrooms onto the sieve and let it drain too. Then I add them to the salad. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe and share my video with others. That means a lot to me, thank you. I add 1 teaspoon of dried parsley onto the salad. If you have fresh parsley, I would take 2 tablespoons, half a teaspoon of salt, and some freshly grinded black pepper to taste. Two tablespoons of olive oil, and then stir it well so everything is nice combined. And then I usually let it sit about 30 minutes on the counter and then eat it, but you could also eat it right away, that would be fine too. Now I give you a close-up look. I like the colors, it looks pretty even though it's not a fresh salad. It still looks pretty and yummy. Now I do a little taste test. I like the combination of beans and mushrooms. It's tasty with the onions in there and some herbs. Yummy. We will go and enjoy the salad, and I hope you make the salad too and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.